I'll be setting break even now. Hi guys. So I'm actually looking for a buy on Usdjpy, and this is the 4 hours time frame. So what I'm seeing here, let me just clear up the chart for you guys so we can start from the beginning. So guys, if you guys have been watching my videos, you will know that the higher time frame is the most important thing for me. So, and we start our analysis from the monthly time frame. So firstly, what made me see that there might be a buy when I saw this? If you look closely, there's a trend line there. Also, there's another one, I think somewhere here. Can you guys see? So price went back to the two trend lines. It's connecting at that particular spot. But here's the twist now. If I move up to my monthly time frame, so clearly you guys can see that there's a zone at this area. There's a good zone here, and also here. Okay, let's move down to the weekly. Maybe we'll see more detail from there. Okay, yes, there's a really good zone here. Can you guys see? So the higher time frames right now is looking pretty bullish. I would say this area is looking bullish. That is we're in an uptrend. It looks like we're in an uptrend. But surely something must have made the market make this impulsive move. Just look. If you look, yes, we have another zone at this area. If you look, yes, there's a zone there. If we move down to, let's say, the 4 hours time frame and the daily time frame, we'll see more about the market. So this is all we need right now. Okay, let me just delete this and use something brighter. So we might be seeing a buy on the lower time frame, that is the 4 hours time frame, and on the daily and or the monthly we might be seeing a sell. So I won't actually be taking that trade. That's me personally. The higher time frames are more important. So now we can move down to the daily. So on daily time frame, you can see that price hit a key level at this area. If you look closely, there's a key level here. Look, price got back there. Price also got back there. That's what made price make this reversal. So unless we find a stronger zone at this area, we will not be taking the trade. Okay, it looks like there's a zone there. Yes. Yeah, it looks like there's a zone there. And we can target to this area. So if we take the buy, our TP can hit to that area. So I'm actually thinking taking, if zone was not here, if this one was not here, we would have not taken this trade, because if it was a place that price hit, we expect to move down to this last zone. This is the lowest zone right now. So if this one was not here, we would have missed the sell, would have left the buy, sorry, would have just left it. I follow my trading plan strictly. So because of this zone here, we might take the trade. Hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. Because of the zone and price met our two trend lines from there. And we know a trend line, when the market gets back to the trend line about 3 times, we expect a bounce up. That's one. Two, one of our trend lines met. So let me just write that down for you guys. What made me take this trade? We'll get back to that soon. Okay, so we can move down to the 4 hours time frame now. Guys, if you understand the secret of the higher time frames, you are made. So actually, would have cut the buy from here. Sorry. Let's use the long position. It's even actually there. So we would have cut our buy from this area here when price got back to the zone, but we missed it. So we would have made a lot of money to this area, close to our TP. But now I'll still take my entry from here. Although I'll still analyze whether the buy is over. Okay. That's our entry. Our stop loss below this zone. If you have a small account, you can use 0.01, because you know our stop loss is really massive, because this is the 4 hours time frame. You shouldn't have like a $20 account or a $10 account and you want to use something like 0.05. You will lose your account immediately. So I'm expecting a buy from here. So let me just tell you guys what made me take this trade. Let me write it down. Firstly, we have a key zone. Okay, sorry. Key zone next. Sorry, I don't know what's happening right now. Key zone. Next, we have the trend line. Let me hurry up and take this entry on my MT5 key zone. Then we have trend lines. Then lastly, I think we'll wait for a chart pattern at that area. Or maybe price is even trying to form a chart pattern somewhere there. Anyways, I'll still check. So price met with our two trend lines. That's what's giving me the confirmation that we might get a buy soon. Then I'm expecting chart pattern somewhere there. Alright, we can move down to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, clearly there's a valid zone somewhere here. We actually missed this buy, to be sincere. So there will be TP1, TP2, and TP3. Anyway, guys, I'll let you guys know how it goes. So I eventually took the trade on UJ and we're now in good profit already. I took about 3 positions, one using 0.05 and 2 others using 0.01, and we're in massive profit already. And let me just show you guys the trade history. Yeah, we took our entries from somewhere here. The price has been consolidating around this area here. Consolidating around here. And it just went up. Our first TP was smashed, although. So my next target is this area here. This is where I will set my TP. That's basically it. So guys, this is a very effective strategy. This is the first TP I was smashed, $2 using 0.01, and one of my positions I used 0.05. So it will be like $10 if we set TP. It would have been like $10. So risk management too is a very key factor. You have to understand risk management before you start trading. It's a very important thing. It's just like now, you have a $10 account and you're using 0.05. Like, it makes no sense. You lose that account immediately. So guys, risk management, you need to follow it. This is the profit now. About $10.56. Doing really good. I'll be setting break even now, and most of the positions, the 2 of them, because anything can still happen. Let's do this. Just right above our entry. I let the one on 0.01 run like that. I'll close it myself. Guys, I just woke up and saw that all TPs were eventually smashed. You can see we made profit of about $20. The ability to hold your trades is very important in your trading journey. It's very crucial. Let's say now you're in a trade. Some people will just chicken out. Let's say it's a 1:5. Let's say it has gotten to 1:2 and market starts retracing immediately. They just take out their entry. They don't know that, they forget that the market doesn't just move up in a straight line. Market must move up, rest, move up and rest. They forget that. So the ability to hold your trade is a very special ability actually. If you look yesterday, I think I'd have taken this trade out that profit of about $8.